Hey everybody. So I just wanted to make this video to show you another way that you can find this resource and then look at it and read it and do it, because it's going to be really important for you to submit your work to Google Classroom if you are someone who has access to it. I'm not going to speak for other teachers or say their thoughts, but for me, I get a lot of emails just like you're getting a lot of emails right now. So if you are able to access Google Classroom, even if it's on your phone, computer, whatever, I don't really care where it's through. If you have the ability and the internet connection to access it, to submit your work that way, whether it's a Google Doc or a video or a picture or anything like that, please do that. So if you go to your Google Classroom, for me, I'm just going to go to my period 6 one and then go to classwork. Wait for it to load. Scroll down to distance learning info and materials. I moved 2 things into here. There is a video for how to reply to an email, and there's also this thing called submit an assignment on Google Classroom. If you're confused or forget how to submit an assignment on here, that means Google Classroom. Click this link. It's going to bring you to this really cool thing that I found online when I googled how do you submit an assignment on Google Classroom. So it walks you through how to turn in an assignment. It also walks you through how to, oh, it must be on the side. It lets you see your work for a class and how to mark an assignment as done, and then see when a teacher has returned it to you. So to turn in an assignment, you open it up, you go to the classwork thing. I know you all know how to do that. You get to this part where it says your work. It's going to be on the right hand side of your screen. You click add or create. You do it from your Google Drive, or if it is a picture, you would do file. I'm not going to read through all the words they have on here, but they have words that explain this too. Then you select whatever it is. Then you select it and it shows up. So it's like, oh, it's right there. It's Miss W's Google Doc on how to turn in an assignment on Google Classroom. And then you click turn in. It says it there. You click turn in. And then it's going to come up with a thing right in the middle of your screen that says, are you sure you want to do this? And you click turn in. So you have to click turn in twice. And that is how you submit an assignment to Google Classroom. For my class, for History Repeats Itself, you have 1 task per week that you need to do. And if you have access to Google Classroom, I am imploring you or begging you, asking you so kindly to please submit your work on Google Classroom instead of emailing it to me. Thank you.